2026 Chevrolet Silverado 1500. This truck delivers style and convenience as well as performance. It features an excellent mix of comfort and handling along with lane keeping assist, lane departure warning, Wi-Fi hotspot, heated side view mirrors, Bluetooth, keyless start, power outlet, keyless entry, auxiliary input, stability control, passenger side airbag sensor, adjustable steering wheel, daytime running lights, traction control, cruise control. Schedule a test drive now before this model is gone.